you show the admit of this kind of university of loan to a bank, like this is 70 something rank within first 100 in the global university, and the banks have that list obviously. So if you tell them that this is the university in which I've got a master's, can I get a loan? So you said without any collateral, that means without any kind of things we are
Yes,
giving to bank, we can get
yes.
a loan. So Meghna, both public and private sector bank will give it if you have some idea.
Um, I consulted a lot of banks. Honestly, I took my bank education loan from SBI. So
Okay.
they have the lowest interest rate, like around 9% or
Mhm.
8%.
Okay.
So yeah, they have a list of top 100 universities, and after consulting a lot of banks, I finally ended up taking the loan from
From SBI.
SBI.
No,
Yes.
most of the Indian students would feel like taking from SBI because there's a public sector bank, very large bank, and
Yes.
we'll feel safe that okay, public sector bank we are taking the loan from. So how much is the typical scale of loan which we need to take? Because second year, I know that in the second year you can get internship also. Maybe you can start earning also if you
Yes.
get internship. So कितना loan की requirement पड़ती है मेघना?
For a safer side, you can consider taking like around 50 lakhs. But
You said one five
looking
or 1.5?
50.
50. Okay.
Yeah, but for a safer side, if you
Hmm.
consider the tuition fee here, like without any scholarship, it's like around 28 lakhs.
Hmm.
And the living expense, the here groceries and all are like very cheap. You can,
Hmm.
if you don't go clubbing and if you are not a party person, you can
Hmm.
easily live like within around 8,000 according to my
Okay.
experience, the
Hmm.
groceries and the food and all.
Hmm.
And coming to the accommodation, it's like you can get a nice studio flat under 50-55,000. For a safer side, I prefer taking a loan of 50 lakhs, but I don't think it will come like around 50.
Hmm.
It will be
Okay.
lesser. Yes.
Hmm.